Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite breakfasts. We're going to be doing what I call the ultimate stacked breakfast. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is just a burrito shell, a regular flour burrito shell. What you want to do, you're going to fold it over in half this way and just crease it slightly, just barely crease it. Then fold it the other way in half. And just put your little crease on there. And then we're going to unfold it. And we're going to unfold it again so that we can see our lines down through there. We're going to take our kitchen scissors and we're going to cut it right to our first cross line right there. All right. And then we're going to take this and we're going to move over to the stove and we'll see you over there. Okay, we got about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon, probably more like about a teaspoon and a half of butter there. Our skillet's really hot, as you can see. Here we have cooked sausage, cooked egg, cooked bacon, and we're using mozzarella shredded cheese. You can use any shredded cheese you want to. And what we're going to do, we're just going to take our tortilla shell, our burrito shell, we're just going to drop it down in there. We're going to put a piece of sausage here. We're going to put us a egg over here. We're going to put I broke this bacon in half whenever I cut it, cooked it. So it's broken in half. We're going to put about 4½ pieces of bacon on there. We're going to take and put some mozzarella cheese, plenty of mozzarella cheese over here on this. We're just going to take, sort of hold our sausage in place. We're going to fold that up. We're going to fold that over. And then we're going to fold it right back over here, just like this. And we're just going to sort of mash it down there just for a second. It doesn't take but just a second to fix this. Just let it cook for a second on that side. And then we're going to flip it over. Boy, look at that. Don't that look good? That is good. Know there's going to be some goodness in there. All right. After it cooks there a second, we're going to slip it right off and into our plate here. And we'll bring you right back here in just a minute. And we're going to cut one open and show you the inside. Okay, we got our ultimate stacked breakfast, what I call it here. We got our bacon. And I'm going to cut into it here in just a second, but I want you to see we got our sausage, egg, cheese, bacon. So we got everything in this breakfast. We're gonna try to slice into it here so we can see exactly what is in it, what it looks like on the inside before I take a bite of it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can't wait to get into this. Look at that there. That's gonna be some good eating there, folks. Pick it up and see can I get a bite of this. Tell y'all what it tastes like. She may still be a little hot though. I got to be careful. That's a full breakfast right there. You got your sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, your bread. You got the full meal deal right there. One easy step. Seen it didn't take 2 minutes to cook it. Everything's ready to go. Hey, ultimate breakfast stack. Give the old video a thumbs up if you would. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you that do. We appreciate all of you that take the time out of your day to watch our videos. Ultimate Stack Breakfast. We'll see you on the next one.